Hey everyone! In today's video, I will be showcasing an exciting automation project, a YouTube comment analyzer and auto-replier. Managing the YouTube comment manually can be overwhelming, especially when you receive 100 or 1,000 of them. So I have built an AI-powered system that analyzes comments, categories them based on sentiment, and even generates smart auto-reply. This automation is designed to save time, enhance time, ensure that no important comment goes unnoticed, whether thanking positive feedback, addressing queries, flagging negative queries for videos. I will be walking through how it works, the technology behind this, and live demo of the actions. So, let's see the working of this automation. So here it is, an HTTP request used for fetching video comments by video ID, then it sends the data to next node here to code. This node transforms the JSON response from a YouTube API from an endpoint that retrieves video comments. Next, our next node is text classifier. It will analyze the comment category based on description using the chat model. Now, after each comment goes to its respective HTTP request based on the category, and from these nodes the response comment is sent back. So let us test the workflow. We will be clicking on the test workflow. So as you can see, it is running totally fine and we can see the video. So this is the video I have used, so these are the comments that are replied by our automation. So each has been categories and replied accordingly. So let's just start building it from scratch. So at the first step, we will add the trigger manually. So it will start our execution when we hit the test workflow button. So next will be a HTTP request for fetching the YouTube comments from the video. And here we will be writing our URL for fetching. So here I am writing. So we will be passing the query parameter along with the get request. So here I will be typing name as part and value as snippet. So it means we are fetching the comment. Now we will be adding the other comment. We will be taking the videoid whose comment we want to fetch. Let me copy and paste my video ID. So this is our video ID. So next parameter will be of key. It is our YouTube key, and here we will copy the YouTube API key. Let me copy and paste this. You can get both things from Google Console, this from YouTube and this from Google Console. So next parameter will be we want to fetch the comment according to the time, and we can assign how many comment we want to fetch. Here I am fetching top 50 comments. So we will also be sending the header, and the name will be accept and value will be application/JSON. We are done with this node. It will fetch our comment, and next node we will be adding as of code. This is our node, and here I will be writing JSON code. So I have written the code, all the comments which are fetched in the previous HTTP request, they will come here, and I will map them based on the comment ID, text, their author, their like count, and timing of publishing. Next node we will be taking is text classifier. It will be used of classifying each comment, whether it is a positive comment, negative comment. So before moving forward, I will execute the previous nodes. Here I go. And these are working fine, and it is fetching 6 items. So 6 comments are being fetched. I will join this node here, and here text to classify. It means that on the basis of which text we want to classify the comment as positive, negative, or question. We will drag drop this. And we will be adding this category. The category will be positive and negative. Here I will be giving the prompt that is comments that express appreciation, praise, or enthusiasm, e.g. great video, keep it up. So in similar way, we will be adding the negative category. Here I will be writing the comments that contain criticism, complaints, or negative feedback, e.g. this video is terrible, these kind of comment. So our next category is neutral. Here I will be giving the description comments that are neither strongly positive nor negative, often factual or general statements. Let me increase the size of the screen now. It is clearly visible. Here I am writing the example. Okay, that is fine. Now the last one is question. Here I will be writing the description and details. So it is totally fine. Now I will be giving a system prompt. This is totally fine. Now we will move back there. I will be adding the OpenAI chat model for O Mini is fine for this purpose. Now we will be extracting the positive, negative, question branches. Now we have to make the HTTP request. Now let me take the node. So here's the node. This node will be used of sending the reply. This will be a post request because we want to send the comment reply to the YouTube. So here I will be typing the URL. So it is done. And here I will predefine some credential, and that is Google Auth 2 API. So I am searching that. So we will be selecting this. And here we will be selecting the Google account. If you haven't, then you can go to Google Console. From there you can fetch the Google ID and paste in there. I have already pasted, so we will moving to the next part. Here I will be also resending the header, and it will contain authorization, and it will be the access token. This we will be copying and pasting. We will be pasting the token, and I will show you where you have to take this. So we have to go to Google Developers OAuth Playground, and here we have to choose the YouTube OAuth, and next step you will exchange the authorization code for token, and here we will the access token, which we will be copying and pasting here. So that is done. So we have also defined the content type, so the value will be application/JSON. So we will also send the body with request. We will be sending the row data, and here we will be type of the content will be JSON. Here I will be writing the expression. Assign the parent ID. It is totally fine, and we have to also give the text what we will reply for the text. Here will be the positive comment. Here we will be reply thank you. So I think totally fine. So why I am getting this error, so let me just drag and drop this. So I can just come an item 0, and here this ID can straight away drag and drop. Oh sorry, drag the comment ID. So in the starting drag and drop here. So I will work fine. So same way copying this and pasting this 3 more times. And we will be updating the comments. This is done. Now it his turn. It is already done because he have copied the text. Now we just to change the comments, so we will just changing the response. Here I have to return thank you. Instead of this I will be writing comment. So we have written this. Similarly, I will update remaining 2 requests also. Now we will be seeing its execution. Before execution, I will comment in my YouTube video. After coming to automation and click on test workflow, now you can see the execution is running. Automation has been executed successfully. Now it's time to check the result. You can see automation has responded, and that's a wrap for our YouTube comment automation project. I hope you found this video insightful and valuable. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation content. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.